32. Ito dapat yung unit ko, Day.
Hindi na, seryoso?
Ito, 32 eh, pero 12 floor. Ito, dito dapat. Binack out yung unit ko.
Kasi 11 million. Now, promo, 6 million. 6 million na tama, Roxy.
Ito ang, ano to?
Amenities.
Amenities.
Ito yung dress up na office style mo.
Ooh.
Office style, perfect.
Okay, office style.
So, ito yung setup na pang office.
Wait lang, sir, ha?
Parang pamilya galing.
Yan. So, ito, napasok nyo dun sa kabila, living area na. Dito is office type. So, for 3 desks, and dito yung mga siguro documents, pwede. Hindi lang na-set up yung ref, sa kitchen lahat, wala. You know. So, dito ang ref, microwave, and possible mga sa dining maliit. And ang maganda dito, yan. Meron pang executive na office. Ganito siya ang setup. So sa ICE Residences, it's residential or office. So may option kayo, pwede nyo siyang gawing office or residential. And facing ng
C
Residences. So yung ICE Residences, katabi lang siya ng
C resident.
Residences.
Facing, ano siya, anong tawag dito?
Facing,
Ano yun?
may amenities.
Ano nga yung, ano doon, event?
Sa
yung
SMX din.
Extension ng SMX.
Yan. Okay.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this